Hello, this is Wesley Clark with Byzantium Wealth Management. I'm continuing the series today on the financial planning pyramid diagram. I encourage you to go to YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, where I had two previous videos, one talking about the overview, the second one about having no debt, with the exception of a mortgage, which you would pay off as quickly as possible. Today, the third video is going to be pertaining to the emergency fund. As you see on the diagram, sufficient amount focused on your income or based upon your income. So what does that mean? It means providing or putting aside into a savings account 3 to 6 months worth of income, whether you're an individual, whether you're a couple. And it's for emergency purposes only. It's not for your vacation. It's not for, oh, I want to get this, I want to get that. No, that's going to be something separate. This is an emergency fund for everything that you and I both understand what an emergency is. It could be one thing for another, so one person another for another. Regardless, you need to establish these foundational stones now. You'll thank me later. Now, where would you look for getting the best rates for savings? Well, credit union, local one. You could look at your bank, local. And also, I would encourage you to look at bankrate.com. It's a great place. I refer a lot of clients to that. I say, hey, check it out. They have online savings accounts that most likely pay more than what your local bank does. So, what we're going to talk about, like I said, continuing on, is establishing this foundational base of emergency fund, being debt free. And then we're going to talk about life insurance next. And then lastly, having your estate planning done. Regardless, if you're a family already, you've got a husband, a wife, children, what have you, we'll talk about the importance of that. But this foundational stones are very important for you in making sure that then you can continue in creating that financial blueprint. You can build upon a solid foundation. So until then, look forward to your continued viewing, and you have a great night.